Right, so we're going to test out these AirPod Pro 2s that I bought from Kakobuy, and you know, I've got my genuine pair here. These are still sealed. We're going to compare them, but before we start this, I'm a little bit on the excited side because we've had a very small package turn up from Kakobuy. I didn't cover this in any of the videos, but if you remember back, I bought that Canada Goose flight jacket, which was a little bit too small for me, so yeah, I ordered it again and I ordered some extra bits. It's only a small sort of, I think it's 3.5 kg parcel. You know, as I normally do, I got the corner protectors. So let's crack straight into this box quickly, and then we'll actually go over to the earphones. Because I thought, you know, while it's here, right, let's get the jacket out first. There's a couple of other bits in here to sort of go with this. Now I had this shrink wrapped. Oh wow, they actually, it's not your normal shrink wrap that you get. You know, you normally get a reusable shrink wrap out, but they actually shrink wrapped this properly so that it stayed shrink wrapped. Yeah. But here it is, the Canada Goose flight jacket. I got it in, I think it was XL last time, so it being too small, I went, it was a little bit tight, it was a little bit snug, so I went for a 2XL. My wife has claimed the other one, but let's see. Same seller, everything else. Oh yeah, this is much better. Oh yeah, more room. Yeah, this is perfect. And yes, me and the wife now have matching jackets, but it's okay. All the standard sort of the straps inside. I'm not really going to go too much into it because, you know, I've reviewed the Canada Gooses before, and yeah, it's just nice that that's turned up. I love my flying jackets. Like I said before, I grew up wearing bomber jackets, so perfect really. The other items that I got, and yes, they are Canada Goose related, because it is now time to pack them away because it's May, summer has sort of started here in the UK. I got these bags, the Canada Goose dust bags, which are big enough to fit all three different types of Canada Goose jackets I've got, which you can actually pop up, fold them up, oh, I like that. It also has an extra long pouch there, I'm hoping. The one thing I'm not seeing, zip's always quite funky when you first get stuff. Okay, the one thing I'm not seeing on this, which I was hoping it would have, oh, it does. It's actually folded over so you can't really see it, but a coat hanger. Yeah. But yeah, I got 3 of these for the 3 jackets I have. Obviously I've got 3 different styles, 3 different bags, and these were super cheap. And then the other item, because obviously I went into such detail looking for it, 3 Canada Goose coat hangers. Proper wooden, no sense, no feeling. Proper wooden Canada Goose coat hangers. Obviously but let's put this jacket and try it out. Yes, it would be easier to stand up, but I'm tired. I'm halfway through my office renovation. It's day 3. I couldn't get into we didn't have enough space. So all my stuff sort of scattered around the house. My bedroom, the bedroom for me and the wife, we've only got half a bed currently because stuff is stacked on my side of the bed. So the wife had the bed last night. I slept on the sofa down here. I finished working in my office 12:30 last night, and Mel is working today, so she had to get up at 5. And obviously I was asleep on the sofa, so I had to get up. Yeah, it's been a long day. So yeah, not much sleep. I'm tired, but I'm enjoying it. So, make sure I get the right side. And then fold it over. Doesn't help it's a short. It's not the easiest being the shorter jacket. It would be easier when you'd use the longer jacket, but put that loop around through there. And there we have it, my Canada Goose flying jacket away. And the thing I like about the way it folds over like that, and obviously I'm going to do my other ones, is it doesn't droop down so much. Obviously longer jackets you really sort of suffer through, and if you've got a small amount of space to actually hang them, yeah, I really like that. I really like that. So that, once I can get to my wardrobe after the office move, while I'm doing the office move, I get the other jackets squared away in their bags so they don't get dusty or anything until the autumn. But let's get back on track to the Chinese knockoff AirPod Pro 2s, which are going to be my wife's earphones, because her, like I said previously when I ordered these, the first gens are, yeah, they're broken. They don't work, but these are, I'm trying to see, original authentic sticker on the front, 100% ANC. As we open up the box, it does give you very much sort of a AirPod. It's got the manual, yeah, how to connect, open, very much like the AirPods. Has the controls, everything else like that. As I open it, inside the box, USB-C to USB-C cable. It feels like it feels cheap. It does feel cheap. Then obviously, so you get 6 silicone earbuds for different sizes. Now the actual earphones themselves, I've had dealings with fake earphones like these before when I ran the shop Gamers. They connected like Apple earphones. When I tested them, it was sort of like it felt like I got scammed basically by fakes. Yeah, they connected and everything else. It wasn't until, and you don't generally, when you test them, put them in your ear because you know that you want to clean them first. And I had a person stood in front of me, and yeah, it wasn't until you actually put them in when it clicked that they were fake, because it said connected. Generally, Apple ones don't say that, but yeah, case wise, I do have a cover on mine. I always like to protect mine, and we'll no doubt get a cover for them. But yeah, looking, the colour's slightly off on the tag there, but it's got the same sort of little speaker holes at the bottom, buttons in the same place, LED lights in the same place. Let's see how they look when we connect them to my phone. So it says obviously have them, yeah, next to each other, but yeah, they generally don't make that noise either when you open the case. Oh, they actually, yeah, that's this is the bigger giveaway. Obviously, see if you can hear it. Powering on. Right, okay, so in the instructions it says just have it like 2 to 3 inches away, but when you actually look at them in Bluetooth settings, it says Pro 2. It said something, and so they're connected. It's yeah, they feel cheaper, or they definitely feel a lot cheaper than the genuines, but it's all about the sound quality, really, isn't it? Right, sound quality wise, they're really good. They sound really good. And yeah, you get the power off, power on when you open them up. It tells you the battery status and everything else and how much power they have. Quality wise over sound to the original, we'll play the same song. Yeah, the sound quality, that we all know what they sound like. These wise, to be fair, for the price, obviously you don't have the like full controls of noise cancelling, you know, all that sort of stuff that you have with the originals, but obviously the originals are, I think I paid $220 a year and a half ago. Yeah, these, I'm just going to look at how much were these? I don't think that they were massively expensive. Yeah, these were £17. Sound quality, they're really good. They are really, really good. Yeah, I was immersed. Okay, you don't have the spectral sounds and everything else over the 200 pair, but for £17, I can't knock these. Don't get me wrong, you know, they're amazing. The quality feels better, everything else. But if you only want a pair of in-ear headphones to literally listen to music while you're at the gym or whatever you're doing them, you're just going around town. Right, so Bluetooth quality of the, so you can make and receive calls from this. Well, I have just tested it with my daughter. Audio quality, their side, it feels as if you're at a distance compared to obviously the quality of the AirPod Pro 2. Genuine's audio quality is a lot better with these, but these do work. You can still make calls from them, which, you know, again, £17, it's not the end of the world. You can still make calls, you can still receive calls via them. Yeah, so if you don't want to spend the £250, which obviously the AirPod Pro 3s are out, and I think they are around they differ between £200 and £250. So if you still want sort of like the AirPod Pro style, but you don't want to spend the $250, I do recommend them. The quality is there. Okay, you don't get a lot of the features which these have, but you're not really going to go get that with these sort of things anyway. Yeah, £17, not bad. You could definitely buy worse for that sort of price. We're doing real versus fake on the Pro 2s, and yeah, the quality wise, and for £17, I've had worse cheap official branded headphones. I'm not going to mention which companies, but I've had worse sounding headphones. So for the price, I do recommend them. You know, £17 for something like these isn't a great deal. You know, and you got the ease of Bluetooth, really easy to connect, everything else. But yeah, they're just okay. They're not amazing. Obviously, you get a lot more features with the originals, but if you just want something, and if you're prone to losing one earphone all the time, but if it falls out or anything like that, £17. If you know, I'll leave the links in the description below, and obviously if you want to join Kakobuy, you actually get and use my code, which is in the description. You will you can save I think it's $15 off your shipping. It also comes with a lot of shipping coupons as well for a new member. So yeah, highly recommend them. £17. What more can I say on that? But I'm going to go and carry on with my office remodel and get my Canada Goose jacket squared away and into my wardrobe. So on that note, thank you ever so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Thanks for watching. Adios.